You put the spaghetti in?
Yes.
Good. Hello, hello, hello.
It's turning brown.
Yes, that's great. So
That's great.
today we're coming to you. We're cooking spaghetti. We have.
Can I see gray?
Yes, it smells awesome.
Is it gray?
Yes,
Is it
it's
gray?
cooking.
Is it gray?
Yes, I have Travion here today helping me. Say hello, Travion.
Hello. This is the weapon.
And so we've just gotten the onion in. We're gonna have the ingredients down below for you, but we do have mushrooms. We have our ground beef. We have our sauce, and then we have Italian seasonings in. We're gonna put Italian sausage in as well.
Ingredients too.
Yes, we have the ingredient. And we want you just to like, subscribe, and share our channel. And we'll talk to you soon. We're gonna finish up right now. Bye-bye.